consider this question. If you plug in x equal to 5 in this function, you are going to get a value that tends to infinity. That is, it is undefined, or we can say it is indeterminate, or we can say it does not exist. And when we encounter such a problem, we apply LHopital rule. And what does this mean? This simply means we should use any relevant acceptable mathematical means or technique to remove what is stopping the function from continuing, either by applying sum or difference of cubes, difference of two squares, quadratic formula, or by differentiation, or any mathematical means that fits into solving this problem. To solve this problem, we are going to apply difference of cubes. Here, a is our x and 5 is our b. And to remember this formula, if here is a minus, here is going to be a minus. And if here is going to be a minus, the next one after the a square must be a plus. And the last one are always plus. That is, if here is a plus, here is going to be a plus. And if here is a plus, the next one is going to be a minus. Always try to remember this. And if you substitute correctly, this will now take away this. Solving carefully, you are going to obtain 75. We have solved this problem algebraically. Let's try to solve this same problem, approaching this limit from the left and equally approaching this limit from the right using tables. To solve this problem, consider 5 on the number line. Remember, you're considering this 5. The sign on the superscript is just telling you the direction of approach. Next, you put 5 at the middle. As we saw in the plugin, if you substitute 5 directly, you are going to get undefined. Next, go off a bit from the 5 towards the right and off a bit from the 5 towards the left. And to the right, you are going to have these values, while to the left, you are going to have these values. Just a bit off is enough. You do not need to go too far off from 5. Next, substitute each of these values of x except 5 into this function, and you can see from your substitution towards the left the limit is approaching 75, and also from the right it is approaching 75. If you take the average of these two values, your answer will be 75, which corresponds to this. Finally, we can still use another method to solve this problem by applying differentiation. That is, differentiate this and you're going to have 3x squared. Next, differentiate this, you're going to have 0. Next, differentiate this and you're going to get 1. Next, differentiate this and you're going to get 0. Next, you now take the limit of the differentiated value and plugging in 5, you will get 75, which is the same answer here using table and the same answer using difference of cube. You can check out other videos in PRECALCULUS. And you can locate all the videos by following the link on the screen. I will see you in the next video.